Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 and 6 because I'm going to be shooting 2 in one day. I have an excuse because tomorrow I am doing an engagement shoot and also we're trying to sort this house out because we are moving soon. So this is part 1 which is day 5 and I will do a second part which will be day 6, but just so you know that they are filmed on the same day. If you remember a few years ago, on this project I made this wreath and it's a leaf wreath. So I made this wreath, as you can see it has some purpley cardboard underneath, and what I did with this cardboard was cut it into a circle but cut the middle out. And when I was cutting the middle out, I was like, this is the perfect circle. So I decided to keep the cardboard that came out of the circle. It's in 2 halves because I used 2 pieces of cardboard and then stuck them together for this one. So this is the props that I've got. If you want to see how I made that, then I will leave a link below. But for now, I've been trying to come up with ideas for this piece of cardboard. I'm really finding it hard to come up with a specific idea. All the ideas that I'm coming up with are going to work, but I cannot decide which one is going to work the best. When I was coming up with this idea, I was like, right, just playing around with the card, looking in the mirror, put my hair over it and ended up with this. And then I was like, oh, that's interesting. That's an interesting shape. I like how the colours work. It was really standing out. So I drew a little drawing just to, you know, have a little look, see what I could create with it. I like this idea, but there is something missing from it. So I just had to play around with different shapes. You know, you can see, put my face in between these 2, and I just was having a look and then left it at that. So I've just sat down this morning and I will insert a little clip here of me drawing a few more ideas. And my intention for today, for day 5, is to shoot all these ideas and maybe create a series. Now this is the first time that I've actually done or thought about doing this in the project, but I've been quite enjoying looking at series of 3, so a triptych, but I might do 4 on this depending on how they turn out. I've also got to edit them all today, and even at the end of this video, 1 might even work the best and I'll scrap the rest. But I think the idea is to shoot them all, get them into Photoshop, have a play around and then see where it takes me, as always. That's my favourite saying. So the first picture is this one. I need to do a picture with my head popping over the semicircle. Couldn't think of the word then. So now I'm going to shove my hair up because I feel like I want a bit of a bun on top of my head. Ta-da! Quite like that. You know, like how it's, I look like I'm hiding. I quite like that. Let's do that. This idea is basically, I grab hold of the bottom one and I'm pulling myself up to the top to look over the top one. I feel like I need to just bring this down a little bit there. The next one is 2 hands. So now on to number 4, which is this one, the one that's in the orange focus point. Square, 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 square. That'll do. Right, finished shooting it.